I will show you guys step by step how to add your own music in CapCut just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So for example, I have this video and I want to add my own music to this video, okay? So what you will do, you just need to click here on import and you need to upload the background music that you want to add from your laptop, okay? So let me search for some background music here. For example, let's check this one. Say goodbye to. Okay, I'm gonna search for. Okay, so let's scroll down here. Can find some background music. For example, like this. So this is my background music. I will click just on import. And your background music will be in your CapCut homepage. So keep clicking on your background music and put your background music under your video like this, okay? You can click here and you can make it matched with your video like this, okay? And here you go, let's check. So that's how you can add your own music in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next videos.